Alrighty, and welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and guys, we are seeing more and more and more and more and more and more meme coin mania madness. It's absolutely been a wild ride. Had to get a sneeze out there. Wasn't even sneezing before the stream. We are seeing coins come out and within a 24-hour time frame. Within 4 days, within 5 days, do 2X's, 5X's. Who cares about those? 600X's. There's a coin that was just launched on Solana. Again, it's always Solana, it seems. That just did a 600X. Now, how the heck could you have found out about this coin? Well, apparently on TikTok, this is getting crazy, guys. This is a meme coin super cycle. This is absolutely wild. There was a 13 or 14-year-old that pump and dumped $30,000 from a community that was watching him on a live stream the other day. That happened yesterday. Everybody's talking about that. Then after that coin, after him rugging these people, the crypto community came back and said, you know what? Okay, you're going to rug us? Well, then we're going to pump it to the moon. And that kid's original bag that he took 30 grand profit in would have been worth like $2 million at the peak, guys. We got a couple things to talk about. I want to talk about PEPE, the chosen one, versus PNUT, BONK, DOGE, MOG, Chill Guy, Quant, this new meme, all these memes that everybody's talking. So we're going to talk about this and more, excuse me, in this video. Welcome back, everybody. I hope you're doing spectacular today. Happy, what do we got? Wednesday. And hope everybody's spectacular today. If you're joining us for the first time, well, welcome to the Crypto Report. We do content like this every single day. If you're back again, we'll smash the like on your way in. And let me go ahead and share the old screen for you. Let's go ahead and do that right about meow. Okay. Boom. Okay, guys. So today, Bitcoin. Oh, wow. Did it come down a little bit more? No. Got to refresh the prices. Today, Bitcoin's sitting at $94,000. This was a new all-time high yesterday. Okay, I want to remind you guys this. Bitcoin at $94,000 is basically a record. Actually, 94.3. Are we pumping right now for Bitcoin? We probably are, aren't we? Because we're live. And so, of course, there's going to be a pump for Bitcoin while we're live. Let's check this out, actually. 4 hourlies, that's not good enough. Let's go to the 15-minute candles. Yes. Bitcoin's taking another move. Now, yesterday, we hit 94K right here. We were live on stream, I think, when we hit 94K yesterday. Or it might have happened right after. But then over the last, day, then it kind of came back down, bounced off this trend line. I told you guys, by the way, as it was hit. Yes, I did. Yesterday, I told you guys, by the way, this was a good call. Yesterday, Bitcoin was hitting 94K while we were live on stream, and it started to trickle back down. I said, you know what? I'm not going to be surprised. Look at this blue trend line. This was here yesterday. It's probably going to come back down, bounce on this. If you took a long off this trend line, which is risky, but if you took a long, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link. You get up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up for Blowfin using our link. I said we were probably going to test back down to this level and, find some continuation of the upside. Now, again, there is a chance that Bitcoin comes back down to this level, but I kind of think we're going to keep going up, but just be on the lookout, come back down to 92 and change, 93. That could easily happen again. But guys, Bitcoin's literally at $94,300, so close to 100K. Earlier today, it hit a new high, just about, a couple hours ago at 94.9, almost $95,000. And I'm doing a video not about Bitcoin right now. I'm doing a live stream about memes. That is where we're at. It seems like nobody actually cares that Bitcoin is currently sitting at $95,000. It seems like nobody actually cares. It seems like all anybody cares about is this 14-year-old that just rugged $30,000, and all that anybody cares about is this chill guy. I mean, this is where we're at. This is where we're at. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. So, where's PEPE? Where's PEPE versus PNUT, SHIB, BONK, DOGE, MOG, and Chill Guy, and all these others? We're going to explore all that and more in this video. And so just welcome back, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's doing well today. So if you have any questions, as always, these are the best part about the streams is throwing comments at me, throwing questions at me while we're live. Happy to try to answer some of those. I do want to also tell you guys that, and I agree with Marlon, there are too many PEPE variants, but PEPE is the chosen one out of the frog coins. And then maybe there's a couple others like Hoppy and Fwog seem to be doing well, but like PEPE on Chain, I don't know. I don't think PEPE is, honestly, there was too much marketing behind PEPE on Chain. I was never a big fan of PEPE on Chain. But I don't know. We're going to talk about all this and more. So welcome back. If you guys are watching on X right now, by the way, I have a challenge. There's 200 people watching on X right now. Does the comment section work on that? Is it logical for people to like interact on X and leave comments and ask questions on X? Because it seems like there's 1,000 comments on YouTube to every one comment on X in terms of like the live chat interaction. And feel free to ask me any questions through the stream. We're going to go through it and keep talking about crypto. So the biggest thing I want to remind everybody before we get started is congratulations, okay? Congratulations. Maybe you're not in the Chill Guy token. Maybe you didn't buy Quant after this 13-year-old, did a whole pump and dump and then, rugged on his community, and then you could have rode the coin to, Valhalla, right? It went up to a $50 million market cap or something crazy like that. Maybe you missed that. But get all that stuff out of your head. So a lot of people right now, as they see these meme coins pumping off, they feel like they're missing out. And then they go chasing, and then they lose their perfectly good positions on their perfectly good coins that they have, whether that's a higher conviction meme coin that you have, whether that's a position like Solana, like Caspa, like Jupiter, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, which I know people are getting upset with the Ethereum thing. But congratulations is the message today, because if you're here right now, well, then you were probably around in the bear market. And if you're new and you weren't around in the bear market, well, still congratulations for being here, because guess what? The total market cap for crypto is now at $3 trillion. Okay. And it's climbing higher. And in the next week, in the next 3 weeks, in the next 2 months, we could see $1 trillion come into this crypto space. We could see the entire crypto market pump by 30%, which corresponds to low cap memes like Chill Dude, like Caspa, and that's not a meme, but like coins like Caspa, lower cap coins in the $1 billion range, getting some of that money. A $1 billion market cap coin can go to $2 billion or $3 billion very quickly if $1 trillion was to flow into the crypto market. Okay? Because $1 trillion is 1,000 billions. There's 1,000 billions to go around when $1 trillion flows in the crypto space. And not only am I sitting here telling you guys that I believe that we're going to see in the next month or two, $1 trillion flowing into the crypto space, but over the next 200 to 300 days, we're going to see possibly 7 trillion, 7,000 billions flow into the crypto space. And it's incredible. Joel wants to know about PNUT. I will be talking about PNUT, my friend. I promise you that. That is one that is definitely on my radar. Looking for an entry position still on PNUT. It's really taken a lot for me to hold back on buying that coin. But I think that it's coming lower again today. So we will discuss PNUT. Okay. Okay. So let's get into this, guys. So today, again, Bitcoin's doing great. Ethereum is literally making people regret their life's decisions right now, which is wild to me. I was buying Bitcoin and Ethereum aggressively in the bear market. And since then, I've diversified those positions into other altcoins because I believe that altcoins, like to outpump Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance has been crushing lately. Currently, I actually don't hold any Ethereum, and I haven't for a very long time. So this Ethereum suffering right now hasn't been killing me. I was holding Ethereum, but I had moved that and diversified that in other positions like Stacks, which actually is kind of hurting me right now. I'm waiting on Stacks to pump. It had a really great moment earlier, but I'm still waiting on that to pump. I think it will. The key is total market cap going up. And I know there's a ton of altcoins out there that people are still waiting on a big pump from. Stacks is one of them. Cardano's finally getting some big moves. Let's look at the big gainers over the last 24 hours really quickly. And shout out to Scossum in the comment section with the super chat. Really digging Maya on the Sol Network. I've heard a lot of people talking about that. I will talk about that coin. But to me personally, Scossum, I just don't understand that coin. I don't know where that dog came from. It seems like, you remember Miro, that coin came up out of nowhere. I don't understand where these things are coming from, right? Some of these memes just come out of the oblivion. I'm certainly not going to catch all the memes. I'm not going to catch 95% of them, and neither are you. Neither of us, are going to catch all the memes. You just got to catch one or two, and you got to catch a good one. So I hope Maya's a great one for you, Scossum. But today, in the big top 100, we're looking at some big gainers from Cardano. Now, earlier today, I saw a tweet from Charles Hoskins, the developer for Cardano, who is apparently going to Washington, D.C. He's going to Washington, D.C. Jasmine guy is upset about the memes. And I think I put out a poll in the comments, by the way, today. And I want to know, are you enjoying the meme coin mania? 84% of you guys said yes. 16% of you guys said no. Jasmine guy clearly feels very passionately about this right now, if you can see in the comment section. Hope you're doing all right today, Jasmine guy. Cardano's pumping. Why? Because Charles Hodgkinson, I don't know how to say his name. The leader of Cardano is going to Washington, D.C. to apparently put together some pro-crypto regulation with the new administration, with the new members of Congress, with new members of Senate, apparently. This is why this is pumping. It's up 36% over the last 7 days. Cardano's a top 10 crypto. If trillions of dollars flow in to the crypto space, then Cardano is going to probably continue to get a pump, especially with this news. Plus, Cardano is a U.S.-based company, and we've seen some pro-crypto tax policy being proposed. In other words, if you're a U.S. crypto company, no taxes on your crypto is something that's been discussed. Jasmine, hey, Jasmine, I'll tell you what. There's a lot of good things happening in crypto. We got to focus on the positive, brother. Let me tell you. Positivity. I know. Let it go by the wayside. Just be happy. We have a crypto bull market, right? All love, my friend. All love. There's people that are frustrated right now. There are people that are frustrated right now with their portfolios because you're seeing maybe Bitcoin go up higher than your altcoins. Maybe you're seeing all these coins get listed on exchanges and you're like, this is stupid. This is dumb. Why isn't my coin pumped? Caspa's a great coin. Caspa's only just got listed on Kraken. Meanwhile, Crypto.com's listing Chill Guy. Then the CEO's tweeting about it. What the heck is going on, man? This is ridiculous, right? I know there's a lot of people out there that feel that way right now. That's not how I feel. Zico in the chat says, thanks, Kip, for sticking with it through the bear market. Me and my portfolio owe you a big thank you. Zico, I'm glad you're making money, brother. The supervillain in the chat says, are you going to go over PEPE? I am going to go over PEPE, I promise you. We're going to talk. PEPE is kind of the theme of the day, but we have to talk about the entire market. So I'm not just going to ever do a whole live stream talking about one thing, but it's kind of, I bring it home, right? I bring it home to the idea about PEPE and then the other memes and kind of PEPE versus the other memes. So that's kind of how we're going to do this thing. This is always how I do my live stream. So hang in there, stick around. We got a lot to talk about. You're going to enjoy the stream. So Cardano's pumping today because of some of that news that I just shared with you. Leaders going over to Washington, D.C., working on pro-crypto regulation. Plus, these U.S.-based crypto companies are going to, be very, very successful if this tax policy really does get passed here in the U.S. So Cardano's doing well because of that. Stellar's doing well, I believe, because of that. I think Stellar's a U.S.-based company. Does somebody want to double-check me on that? But I'm pretty darn sure that that's pretty cool. Cronos is actually in the top 4 again today. Back up 17 cents, which is pretty darn good. We'll look at some TA for Cronos as well today. Maker, despite Ethereum's stagnant moves, Maker is up 2% today. Now, I want you to think about this. Bitcoin is at $95,000, and the total market cap for crypto is breaking past $3 trillion. And the biggest gainer we have over the last 24 hours in the top 100 is only up 8%. We are still waiting for a maniacal move. There is a world where Cardano does 100% gains in a week. There's a world where Cardano does 100% gains, maybe even in a day, which is crazy to say. I think that we're going to see that for Cronos, for Maker, for Tezos, for a lot of these coins. KuCoin token even is probably going to get, a lot of these coins are still going to pump up. But in the meantime, the real story, and it's not a surprise, has been memes. Memes are going crazy. It's still a hot category. The hottest memes in the entire crypto market are clearly on Solana. But it is very hard to pick what the next meme coin that's going to be huge on Solana is going to be. So we'll talk about some of the big ones in this video. Let's actually really quick before I kind of keep moving on here. I want to see what the big losers are today. Popcat's down. So on a day, here, think about this. On a day where we see, Chill Guy and, whatever, Quant exploding, new memes came out in the last week. All of a sudden, the big memes like Popcat and PNUT that everybody's so bullish on are coming down. Peanut's down 16% today, down to 1.4 billion. This might come back down below $1 billion. I am interested in Peanut. I think it's going to be one of the biggest memes in this bull market. Personally, I still think that. We'll see how that shakes out. I don't own any yet, but I'm thinking about getting some Peanut. Waiting on a dip. This is a good dip. Might have to consider a position. I don't know. That's me, not you. I'm not telling you to consider a position. I'm saying I'm thinking about a position. I don't ever tell you guys what to buy. I just tell you what I'm thinking about. And I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research, friends. Much love. But today we've got some of the big memes that are down. So on a day where we're seeing new memes come up, big memes are down. Why? Well, people are probably taking profit out of their big meme and they're chasing the new little ones. Okay. So, Pepe, where's Pepe at today? Pepe's down 8% as well. Why is Pepe coin down? Well, it recently got a Coinbase exchange listing. And so it's due kind of for a cool-off period, right? I am bullish on Pepe. I am bullish on Doge. Dogecoin's actually breaking out versus Bitcoin quite wonderfully right now still. We'll talk about that later as well. But Pepe coin is down 10% right now, down 12% over the last week after taking a new high. It got above a $10 billion market cap. Pepe coin, I believe, guys, and I'm just going to preface the beginning of this stream, beginning-ish of this stream, to say I think Pepe could be a $100 billion meme coin. Dogecoin almost was. I think Pepe's bigger. Pepe is Pepe. I don't know. Pepe's been a meme for a very long time. Every crypto conference, I went to 2 crypto conferences this year. Everybody's focused on Pepe. Think about how many copycat Pepe coins there are. I don't want to buy any of those copycat Pepe coins. Instead, it's like, okay, well, Pepe is going to keep, you can treat Pepe kind of like a Dogecoin these days. In my mind, where people like Dogecoin to $2. I think that's going to happen. I think it's going to continue to happen. So in the meantime, everybody's looking for the next Pepe. How is Cat and Dog's world? How is Dog with Hat? How is MOG? How's Peanut the Squirrel? How's Popcat going to perform versus Pepe? The truth is these coins are probably still going to outperform Pepe because if Pepe was to 10x from here, that's a $100 billion market cap. If Peanut the Squirrel was to 10x from here, that's only it's only a $14 billion market cap. Maybe Peanut the Squirrel can go to a 20 or a $50 billion market cap. I don't really know exactly where Peanut the Squirrel is going to go, but I do believe that a $10 billion market cap is absolutely I think it's easier for Peanut the Squirrel to go to a $10 billion market cap than it is for Pepe to go to a $100 billion market cap. But I honestly think we're in a world where both are going to happen. Because all that anybody's focused on right now seems to be meme coins. Crypto J says, still very early. I think you're talking about FOG, but not about FOG, but in general, Crypto XJX, I think that everybody is still very early. Now, you're not extremely early on Peanut the Squirrel, and you're certainly not the earliest on Popcat, but just generally for the bull market, we've still got a lot of time, okay? You're not the most early. You didn't buy in the bear market maybe, or maybe you did. Fine, whatever. Put that all behind us, the past of the past. Where are we at today? We are at a moment in history where the total market cap is going higher than it's ever gone before. We are about to have a monthly candle close in the next 10 days. That is the highest point that these monthly candles have ever been for the entire crypto market. We are at a time in history where we have nations considering a strategic Bitcoin reserve like the United States of America, a zero tax policy being proposed in the United States of America. We have countries like China that are probably going to unban crypto and pump Bitcoin and crypto and your meme coins to Valhalla, to the moon. And we've got so much upside left. And historically, like I've told you guys so many times, These bull markets last from the bottom to the top about 1,000 days, a little over 1,000 days, which tells us we still got about 200 to 300 days left. So you're not going to catch all the memes. You just need to catch one or two, or guess what? You don't even need to catch any at all. Because if you think you need memes, you don't need memes. You can make a lot of money with a 10x, with a 20x, and guess what? You don't need a meme coin to make a 20x in crypto. You could easily make a 10 or 20x buying a coin like Cronos. You could easily do a 10 or 20x by buying a coin like Solana. I still believe that. You could easily do a 10 or 20x by buying a coin like Caspa, Cardano, 20x less so for Cardano, 10x for Cardano seems like a slam dunk. There's so many great opportunities to make money in crypto, guys. So if you're new here or if you've been around for, just welcome, guys. Patience is key. I want to talk people off the ledge of panic selling and panic buying things. If you're panicking, I think you're doing it wrong, okay? I know you're doing it wrong. If you're panicking, you're doing it wrong, okay? Please don't panic, guys. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the fact that Bitcoin is at 94K right now. It seems like nobody cares that Bitcoin's at 94K right now. I genuinely do. I genuinely do. I just wish that crypto Twitter and crypto X right now would kind of be a little more excited about Bitcoin, honestly. I think today, by the way, we have Bitcoin options trading that went live. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty darn cool. Okay, so let's talk about a couple other things. First up, congratulations, guys. Let's celebrate today. November is right now 33% up on the month. Let's actually make sure that is still accurate. It could be higher. Let's see if that's accurate. Yes, 33% up on the month. Our average gains for November, historically speaking, is 45%. Can we surpass that? It looks like we're on track, guys. It looks like we're on track. Dr. Crypto in the chat says, patience is key. Altcoin season just around the corner. I agree with you completely, my friend. I agree with you completely. Marissa is having a blast. She's saying this is fun. I think Marissa was commenting maybe on Twitter to me about Chill Guy. I think, did you get in Chill Guy, Marissa? It seems like you did. Am I mixing you up with somebody else on X that was talking to me, tweeting at me? Somebody tweeted at me about Chill Guy this morning. I think it was you, Marissa. I'm not sure. But I know a lot of people are having fun with this meme coin season, and fun we should have, guys. Bitcoin's exploding. Bitcoin's a great position to have in your portfolio. But the truth is when you look at the liquidation heat map, look at this, 1,000 PEPE, big liquidations, goats. You've got a lot of this. Whiff, Nero, Orti's a meme. We've got, what do we got? PNUT, Moodang, SHIB, Litecoin is a meme now. We've got Degen, that's a meme. Act, Dogs, PopCap, BONK. You can see look at all the coins, guys. Out of the biggest coins that are getting liquidated over the last hour, it's a lot of memes. A lot of people like to trade memes. Even in the last 24 hours, look at this. PNUT, massive amount of liquidations. Doge, $27 million in liquidations over the last 24 hours. Unbelievable. Our liquidations are cooling off, but they're kind of still strong. There's a lot of liquidations being made right now because everybody's waiting for that $100,000 Bitcoin, guys. Everybody's waiting for that $100,000 Bitcoin, and it's coming. It's coming very soon. Crypto.com is actually going to do a giveaway. When Bitcoin hits $100,000, they're going to do a giveaway. Or I think they're doing a giveaway to give away a Bitcoin to celebrate 100K Bitcoin, or maybe how many followers the CEO has. I forget what it is, but guys, this is such a wild time for the crypto market. We want to continue to see these liquidations kind of clean themselves up so we can continue to the upside. Oh, Marissa, okay, I'm mixing you up with somebody else. Okay, well, you should get on Twitter if you're not. But anyway, it is very fun, guys. And here's a fun fact for you, posted by Crypto.com. Now, Doge is obviously the largest market cap meme coin, and I don't know if this is a truly accurate number right now, but according to Crypto.com, these are the facts. Doge is the largest contributor with a market cap of 60 billion. I know that's true, but followed by SHIB with 14.7 and the PEPE with 4.9. The whole altcoin, okay, so the whole crypto market cap is $3 trillion. Meme coins by market cap are $125 billion worth of the $3 trillion invested in crypto. Guys, I am not kidding you. I think that the meme coin market cap is going to 10 trillion, or whoa, back up. Didn't mean that. I think that the overall market cap of meme coins, the total market cap of meme coins, is going to $1 trillion in this bull market. Okay. I think that it's going to 10x from here. Huge opportunities in the meme coin space, huge opportunities as well to get rugged. Please do not get rugged. You want evidence that you can get rugged in crypto? Well, guys, here's the facts, okay? If you look at my Twitter, you will see this. Good morning to all the bears. This is the latest meme. See this kid right here? This kid, see this chart that's on the screen? See this chart that's on the screen? Watch this. See this kid? Watch this chart. See this chart? Watch this. This kid just did that. He just rugged it. He flipped the bird to this camera and celebrated that he just rugged $30,000 on a live stream from people watching a stream and continued to flick them off and celebrate. And he said 20 bands or something like that. So celebrating, he made a bunch of money playing with a brand new coin. He launched a coin called Quant, and then he absolutely rugged his community. That could happen to you. This 13-year-old kid could be on the other side of a computer screen somewhere, and he could absolutely take your $2,000, your $1,000, your $500 in literally 15 minutes, okay? This coin launched. This kid made 30 grand in less than an hour, probably. I don't know the facts on that, but probably in less than an hour. And a bunch of people just lost $1,000 like that. That's the danger of meme coins. I don't really like to play the brand new meme coin launch game. This guy goes on Photon and he's sniping new coins, and I'm not doing that. I don't like that. You're going to lose 90 out of 100 of your trades that way. And even if you catch one, you might break even. Maybe you get lucky and you become a millionaire. Fine, it could happen. But in the meantime, you could just be losing money left and right. And so while I'm super bullish on meme coins, I like PEPE. I like SHIB. I like, MOG and BONK and DOGE we've had, and DOGE, and I like Mary and Ka, and I like Croaky, and Croaky, I didn't even mean to say that, but I do. I like that one too. But I like a lot of coins, guys. I like a lot of coins out there. Okay. There's a lot. FWOG seems to be big. I don't know. Even this new cat coin from, once we get above $100 million market cap, okay. Once we get above $100 million market cap, once you get above a $10 million market cap, you're starting to get established. I'm typically not buying under $1 million market cap coins. Those are too risky. You can dabble. The liquidity is always bad. Even if it pumps, if you want to take your profit, you're going to nuke the chart. It's not going to go well for you. You're going to get a bunch of slippage. It's hard to do, but we don't need to be doing what, we don't need to be chasing coins like this. This kid invented a coin and he rugged his community, but there's people that bought into this kid's play. And those people are kind of, I hate to say it, the suckers of crypto. And do not be one of those people that gets rugged by a 13-year-old kid, fam. Okay? Do not be rugged by a 13-year-old kid. Please don't get rugged by a 13. Please, I'm begging you. Don't. But in the meantime, I am looking for the next chill dude. If you've seen this one, I want to share this with you guys. So Chris Marsliak, the CEO of crypto.com, put out a tweet that I got a kick out of. Look at this. This is a crazy time that we live in, okay? Look at this. So I tweeted, this is wild. This is the CEO of crypto.com, one of the big exchanges out there. Bull market, no time to chill. Or is it? He just basically tweeted about this new chill guy. They listed this coin. Crypto.com is one of the first exchanges to list a lot of these. Their slippage is tough. Their spreads are bad. On the app right now, I think they're getting better at that. But if you want to be in early into a coin, clearly crypto.com is poising themselves to list these things quick. Now, this coin, this chill guy coin, let's talk a little bit about this chill guy coin really fast. This chill guy coin, in a matter of days, November 15th, this coin launched. It is now the 20th. It's been 5 days. And if you had bought in on day one, you could have made 240% gains, or excuse me, 200x gains. It's a 200x play in a matter of days. It's a $425 million market cap. Where did this come from? Apparently, allegedly, it came from Twitter. Or excuse me, allegedly, it came from TikTok. Okay. I don't even know how. I did not catch this one. I did not see this one. I missed this one completely. Like I told you, I am not going to catch them all. I am not going to FOMO into this coin. Could this coin go to a billy? Fine. I don't care. It could. I don't know. Am I going to FOMO into this coin? No. Just like I didn't FOMO into peanut. Just like I'm not going to FOMO it. If you get into these early, you're lucky. Okay. If you catch the trend, you can do it. There are people that are making, I believe, even from the get-go, some people made a 600x on this coin. Okay. And even if you bought this coin, let's say yesterday, you could have still made a 10x on this coin. Now, that is the move that you could make, right? Once it picks up here and you kind of see this thing getting some buzz, I heard people tweeting about it. I had a chance to potentially catch on to this. Some people, I think, put it in my live stream chat. Some people put it on Twitter. When you see tickers and you see them often, what you got to do is you got to look for them. You got to look in, you got to dig in, and that's kind of how you catch the next Pepe, the next chill guy, whatever. This is a crazy world that we live in. And now you've got chill quant coming, all these crazy coins coming out all the time. Let's see how Chill Guy does. It's crazy that Chris, the CEO of crypto.com, is bull posting about Chill Guy. That blows my mind, but that's where we're at right now. Everybody loves meme coins. There's $125 billion invested in the meme coin market, and I think it's going to go 10x from here. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Marissa is probably the oldest one here, which is around in the 80s. Wow. Yeah, we got some experienced individuals in the chat. I don't know what else to say. I don't want to say old, Marissa. Okay. I didn't want to say old. All love to all ages. Okay. Guys, gals, welcome to the Crypto Report, guys. All ages, all genders, whatever. Welcome, guys. This is just crazy. This is just a crazy time. So, by the way, if you guys have any questions, keep them coming. Keep them coming. Keep the questions coming. Shout out to a couple folks out there. Shout out to Coin Bear and shout out to Jasmine Guy, Jason Davis in the chat. Shout out to John316. Shout out to, let's see who else is Legacy Legends, man. Shout out to Marlon PB Cheetah. We got Hangman in the chat and a super villain. We're talking Pepe, super villain. Scossum, I'll still talk about your Maya coin, Scossum, I promise. Remind me later, though, Scossum, okay? Remind me later. I'm going to come back to it. Oh, heck, let's do it now. Let's do it now while I'm thinking about it. He hit me with a super chat to look at this one. I know that this did get to a pretty big market cap, so we'll check it out really quick. Let's see. Didn't this one get to a big market cap? Where'd it go? I know it's here somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Is that it? Is that really it? I don't know if that's it. I'm going to have to find this later. I don't want to waste a bunch of time. I'll come back to it, Scossum. Anyway, meme coins are hot. Let's talk a little bit about some general crypto news while, it's relevant. Okay, guys, I want you guys to remember why are these meme coins pumping? Because crypto is awesome because it's exciting. What if I told you that Michael Saylor, the guy that everybody hated, he lost, I think, $6 billion in a day at one point. People were criticizing him for his pro Bitcoin strategy. People were coming after Michael Saylor saying, oh, what a stupid guy buying all this Bitcoin with his company stock. He's going to ruin the company. They were even saying like he shouldn't be in charge of MicroStrategies anymore. Well, it turned out to be one of the best strategies ever. MicroStrategy stock is absolutely, it's the best. It's outperforming every single stock, like almost period. Like at least every single stock in the S&P 500. That's a fact. But Michael Saylor is going to present to the board of Microsoft next month about buying Bitcoin for its treasury. Now, this is significant. And this story came out yesterday, again, November 19th, excuse me. But this is kind of where the story last left off from what I saw back on October 24th. Microsoft actually asked their shareholders to vote against investing in Bitcoin. What is this about? Microsoft is going to put out a vote of whether they are going to invest in Bitcoin as a company or not. And the board suggested to the shareholders to suggest no. To say no. Now Michael Saylor is going to go out and try to convince the board on why they should say yes. Now this vote is coming in December. Imagine when Microsoft buys Bitcoin. Do you think that, I don't know, Dell, and that's a bad example maybe, and NVIDIA is going to start buying Bitcoin if they aren't already. I bet you they are. Do you think that Amazon and Google and all these companies are going to start buying Bitcoin if they're not already? If Microsoft buys Bitcoin, a lot of companies, Fortune 500 companies, are going to start buying Bitcoin. Most of the companies in the S&P 500 are going to, I'm not going to be surprised to see by the end of 2025 if over 10% of the companies in the S&P 500 have bought some Bitcoin, and maybe more. It could be more, which means what? Trillions of dollars are flowing into crypto, meme coins, altcoins, Bitcoin going up and to the right continuously, at least over the next 200 to 300 days, because that's how these bull markets work. Okay. So I'm very, very bullish. Very bullish on crypto, my friends. And this story about Michael Saylor pitching Bitcoin to Microsoft is a big deal. And one way to kind of look and check in to see where these memes are going is go to CoinMarketCap, guys. Go over to categories, and you can go to categories. I like to do this. You can go here. You can check, filter by, alphabetical order, find the M's, memes, and then you can see what the biggest memes are out there. And honestly, not a terrible strategy. You might be just looking at like this first page of memes alone. And then if you go down to the bottom of this, you're looking at $50 million market cap coins. Like there's Andrew Tate's daddy coin, currently sitting at 53 million. In the parabolic bull market, can this go higher? It probably can. It probably can. Here's Blub on Sui. I know this one people are excited about. People are very excited about Sui. Maybe that's going to pump. I don't know. You can kind of look at some of these. These are under $100 million market cap coins. Those are potentially 20x plays. Those are potentially under 50 million is potentially 100x plays, really, if they go good enough. So we'll see. We'll see. Now, here's a fun one for you guys, and here's a new thought, okay? Now, a lot of people are trying to figure out, PEPE versus PNUT versus SHIB versus BONK versus MOG, and we're trying to figure out, what's the next coin to pump. Well, here's one that I don't think a lot of people are doing. If you were paying attention to the election, you saw that the Polymarkets were actually extremely accurate in predicting the results of the election. Hold on one sec. They were extremely accurate in predicting the results of the election. Now, are they accurate overall? Well, let's find out, because one thing that I'm personally going to start doing is I'm going to start paying more attention to the Polymarkets, okay? And you can look here and you could see interesting things. When you go over to the Polymarket, we'll just do it here. So Polymarket, boom. This is the main page. You can see things like, will Bitcoin hit 100K in 2020? For those of you guys that don't know what the Polymarket by now, got to get with it. Polymarket is just very simply people betting on everything and anything that anybody cares about, okay? What you can do is you can go over into different categories, whether it's politics or crypto. Go to crypto, and you could check out the meme coins. And when you go over to the meme category, you can look at something like, what are the percentage chances of the next coin to be listed on Coinbase? Right now, it's a 53% chance that it's going to be Popcat for some reason. I don't know why. I'm curious. I don't know why. Very, very interesting. Now, this has $37,000 in volume. I don't know if that's today or in general. I've still got a lot to learn about this. I wonder how much money worth of bets is put into this overall. I think possibly about 37 grand, which is interesting. But if these bets are any indication as to what comes next, maybe Popcat's the next one to get listed. There's a 53% chance according to the Polymarkets. And for some reason, it's skyrocketing today. I don't know why. And then the odds have gone down. So there's something brewing right now with Popcat where some people think today, for some reason, that it's the next one to get listed. Now, last night, PNUT had a 75% chance. And so these things change very fast. I don't know what changes them. But one strategy might be, if you're looking for the next meme, is just looking at any that are potentially, hyped about. Anything that's maybe in this category could potentially be a decent meme to maybe, consider. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. This is just an idea that I had, right? I'm very bullish on PNUT. If I'm most bullish on PNUT out of this, maybe not for the most exponential upside, but in terms of will it go up? Yeah, I think PNUT's got a lot of upside because of a lot of reasons that I've laid out for you guys on this channel. But that's the Coinbase one, right? We can also look at the odds of like what's the next one to get listed on Binance. And it seems like Binance gets bigger pumps. There's a 21% chance Popcat. So right now, odds are showing that Popcat is the one that people feel the most optimistic about. That and Mudang, these two coins I know a lot of people want listed, and GOAT. So these three coins I know there's a lot of people paying attention to. And it's just kind of an interesting thing. So if all of a sudden you see something skyrocket, you keep an eye on these. Maybe there's a reason for that. Maybe there's a rumor that gets spread. Maybe there's a bunch of bets that come in because rumors get spread. But this is very interesting. And I would say that there is, a better shot of these coins getting listed than some random one that you want to get listed, right? So, and exchange listings are good for the projects and for the pumpability of your bags. Okay. Now, very interesting as well, just very bullish for crypto overall. I'm kind of jumping around from stories to stories, just giving you guys a variety of crypto content here. Mr. T is to consider a crypto lawyer, Teresa Goody Gillian. I think I say her name right. Gillian. To lead the SEC. This is great. A pro crypto SEC head. That'd be fantastic. Very bullish. On top of that, you also have Mr. T. That's what I'm going to call him from now on because I don't want to say his name. Expands crypto reach with an acquisition talks. They're looking at actually acquiring the DJT company is looking at buying BONK, a crypto company. And on Monday, Mr. T met with Mr. B, Mr. Armstrong, Brian Armstrong from Coinbase, all leading to bullish momentum in for the DJT stock for not for the Coinbase stock actually, but very bullish stuff. Very, very bullish stuff. New administration coming in with a very pro crypto stance. And in addition to that, if you're not already bullish enough on crypto and meme coins, well, we got a Fed rate cut coming again, probably in December. There's about a 50-50 chance, a little over a 50% chance that we're actually going to get another 0.25% rate cut. And there's like a little bit of a chance as well, 44% chance that the Fed is going to stop pausing rates. Why the heck am I talking about Fed rate cuts on a meme coin video? Because in crypto, we do have a effect on the market based on rate cuts. When rates are being cut, that is actually a sign for more risk on assets. Why? Because the lower the rates, the cheaper it is to borrow money. The more that the big boys can borrow money, the more that they want to participate in the markets to gains. Okay. If it's cheap to borrow against your own money, then people want to do it. And then they start going on for more risk on plays because it's cheap to borrow the money. And what does this mean for you? It means Bitcoin goes up still. It means meme coins still, and crypto goes up still. We are very excited. We are very bullish on these things in the crypto space. One thing you can also do is check out this tool for your memes. Like you want to know what happens if Mudang flips the, can I find Mudang on here? I don't even think I can. Mdang, can I find it on here? I don't even think that's the ticker. You want to look at like, well, what if, Floki flipped the market cap of Doge, which I don't think is going to happen at all. Boom. It's 23x from here. This is a fun tool to look at. Let's actually look at one. Here's one. I'm going to say Elon, okay? Doge Elon Mars. I think that this coin could flip the previous high of Floki. I don't know what that is, though. Yeah, I mean, I think Doge Elon Mars is probably one that I just keep talking about it because somebody, what I think Zach Humphreys tweeted about it. And it's just like, as soon as I saw one person say it, I saw a bunch of people say it. And you know what? It makes all the sense in the world. We're in an Elon Musk bull market. The guy just launched a rocket yesterday. Doge Elon Mars, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't know any Doge Elon Mars. I should probably get some, maybe. I don't know. Again, I'm not telling you guys to buy these things. I'm just telling you where my brain's at. It's a fun tool, though. You guys should use it. Market cap of, just fun for you guys. And then don't get rugged on some of these ridiculous memes out there, guys. Let's take a peek at the Cronos memes. I'm very bullish on Cronos memes. I expect that we have Crypto.com is going to list some of their Cronos memes soon. I think the next one's probably going to be Mystery Mary token. It's just my belief. I don't have any, I don't know. I've got evidence, but I don't have any facts to say that that is 100% going to happen. Where the heck? is the Cronos chain. I'm trying to find it. Where the heck's Cronos? I'll find it. So we did have a flipping in the Cronos ecosystem. Ka overtook Mary again. Now it is back to rank number 1. The competition between Ka and Mary continues. I'm so bullish on both. They're flipping back and forth. Rank 1, rank 2, rank 1, rank 2. Now Ka is already listed on crypto.com, and that is a huge advantage for it because it has a tremendous amount of volume that it can get. But now I think Memecoin is going to be the next meme coin on Cronos to be listed. Again, I just believe that that is possible. It's got a very strong upturn right now. There's a lot of hype going on, so I'm looking forward to that. We'll see how that shakes out. And then I don't know what after that. And we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Anyway, I just want to give a little Cronos meme update. What else did I have going on? You can become a millionaire this cycle. You can. You just have to have patience. You have to have conviction. You have to do your own research. And you got to take profit too. Maybe you don't have enough money to become a millionaire. Fine. Well, make a couple $1,000, pay off your debts, and get ready for the next bull market. That's okay. That's okay. You can make a lot of money. You could potentially become a millionaire even if you have $100 in crypto. If you got into chill dude early, if you got into, if you're crazy enough to get into quant, the meme, which is crazy. Everybody wants a buzz cut from Maxi. He's got to get a haircut soon. I know. I don't think we're doing the buzz cut. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. I don't know. We'll see. Hangman's asking, is it true in the roadmap Crow will use his gas fees? Crow has already used his gas fees. That's already the case. There are Crow burns coming out. And there's going to be a Cronos ETF at some point. So that leaves me quite bullish. This is so crazy, actually. The CEO of Crypto.com retweeted out a member of the Crow fam earlier, Crypto West. And he said, $ Crow ETF will be a game changer. When you play, you must play to win. He is retweeting out everything about Crow. I'm so bullish on Crow. There's a reason, guys, that CRO, okay, is one of the top movers today on a kind of slow day, actually, for altcoins. There's a reason that CRO is pumping right now. We have 420 viewers right now, by the way. And if you guys like trading, you can sign up for trading using our link. It's pinned in the comment section of I'll pin it in on Twitter after this video. You can see it on all our videos we post on X. Just go down and $5,000 deposit bonus. But most importantly, guys, type the like button if you enjoy the content. Give us a repost if you enjoy this content. Go ahead and follow us on YouTube. Also, if you're not already doing so, we got 87 folks watching on YouTube right now. Our audience on X is much bigger than on YouTube these days. Only 39 likes versus the 83 viewers on YouTube. Got to get those likes up if you're watching on YouTube, guys. Got to get those likes up. Coin Baron. Chris is on a roll. He is. Okay, let's do a little bit of Q&A. Now, 82% of you guys love the meme coin mania. 19% of you guys don't. What else is going on, guys? Let's chat a little bit. Let's chit chat. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart and let's just watch BTC. By the way, I told you guys this could easily come back down to the $92,000 level. Here we go. It's slipping back down. That's a long. Every time it touches to this level, that would be a long, right? Potentially. Now, there could be a moment where all of a sudden it breaks through this and then it loses the level. You got to be careful of that, which is why you need to set stop losses, Potentially, right? Let's just say you're doing like a 5X trade or something, right? This is just really basic stuff, okay? Let's pretend you're in a 5X long for Bitcoin and you happen to long it here. Maybe even you catch it here at 92.5, right? Well, I mean, look, how far can this thing go down below? It goes just a little bit below, maybe, another 4.5%, 5% down below. So maybe you set your stop loss at like, 90K or something, right? That way you can stay in the trade. You know what your loss is going to be, but you feel confident that you're going to get a bounce off a level like this. Like that's how I like to trade, right? On a lower leverage kind of move, right? Now, to make any decent money on a Bitcoin trade like that with 5X, it's tough, and you got to have a big stack to do it. So you got to be careful, guys. You definitely got to be careful. Pepe is taking a break. Let's take a peek at Pepe. How's Dogecoin doing right now? Dogecoin has been breaking out versus Bitcoin. And it looks like maybe a scenario that I laid out for the community is playing out. What I've said is that this thing's breaking out. Look for it to test back down and bounce up. That is something that could be playing out right now. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. Let's look at PEPE coin. Dogecoin's doing great right now, though. Looking at our first red weekly candle potentially at just imminently. I don't think that's going to happen, though. I mean, unless we have a big collapse. We'll see. PEPE is taking a break, cooling off. Maybe it's time. Maybe it's time for PEPE coin to retest. Yes, retest the highs. Maybe PEPE is going to do a little retest off the highs. That could be the case. That's fine. Again, maybe a retest off the highs. Maybe there's your long opportunity for PEPE, right? Potentially. We'll see. Marlon PBG says, I'm at a 2x with 88 today. You must be leverage trading, brother. See, yeah, I mean, and that's what you can do. You know, on a day like today, you get a 10% pump on Cardano, a good coin with decently low volatility, but sometimes it's, you know, it's definitely undervalued. It's absolutely got, you know, a good opportunity for some trading. Gimme G-Time Consultant Travel says, what are my thoughts on CAW? I'm bullish on CAW. CAW had a good pump this morning. Cleary's Beef in the chat. How's it going? Well, that's pretty good, Marlon PB. You're learning. You get a 2x. Did you take some profit? Because pumps from a coin like Cardano are usually short-lived. It pumps, it consolidates, it cools off. Nice to take some profit sometimes. We might be able to reach a Billy with Ka. We might be able to reach it with Mary. I don't know. I think that each of them should maybe get past 200 million a piece. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. You know, yeah, I'm bullish on them. Jasmine guy likes Bitcoin Cash. I don't like Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is basically like a meme coin. Bitcoin Cash is kind of valueless. It's a fork of Bitcoin. I was actually talking about that yesterday. It's a fork of Bitcoin. I don't really love it. Marlon PB Cheetah, you're gonna hook up with Blowfin tonight. Cool, man. Yeah, use our link. Use our link. It's pinned in the comment section. If you want to sign up for Blowfin, leverage trade for yourself, you can sign up for Blowfin. Check it out. Just, you know, and the cool thing is if you're using something like Blowfin, you're not going to get, you know, rugged on by a 13-year-old. They really are only listing decently sized coins. Yeah, maybe I could do that. Maybe I could do that. G-Time. The community hasn't been very friendly to me lately, so I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I've been saying I was bullish on that coin, but the community loves to just like, you know, I don't know, spaz out at me. I don't know why. I'm bullish on it, so we'll see. I did just do a how many Dogecoin to become a millionaire yesterday. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put out a series on how many, you know, big coins like PEPE, how many Dogecoin, how many Crow coins to be a millionaire, how many Jasmine, Caspa, Sweet coins, Solana to be a millionaire. I'll do all those. How's it going, Chef X3? Daryl Young says, what am I doing with my life? 13-year-old gets 30K in one night. I got to work 3 months to make that kind of money, Daryl. No. You're good. Don't have FOMO over the 13-year-old. Plus, that guy is a thief, essentially. You know, it's terrible what that guy did. Peanut, please. Yes, let's talk about Peanut real quick. Let's look at Peanut. Let's look at Peanut. Gotta love the Peanut. Peanut. It was like my Seinfeld intro. Let's do some Peanut. Yeah, you like that coin, Peanut? I sure do. My wife probably just heard me do that weird Southern voice about Peanut and is like, what is wrong with my husband? She's probably like, shh, don't wake up the baby. The baby's probably sleeping down. The baby's sleeping. If the baby's not crying, the baby's sleeping. Interesting. So what I was looking at for Peanut recently was this. Zing. Peanut could be oversold right now. It's not perfect TA, guys. Don't judge me. It's not perfect TA. Let's go down to the hourlies. Maybe it'll be better that way. Okay. Yeah, look at this. Getting a little green bounce there. Risky. Hypothetical trade. Long. Profit. Long. Profit. Short. Long. Short. Long. See what I mean? These are the things that I look at. Little wedge patterns like this. Here's the deal, though, with Peanut right now. Okay, here's the deal with Peanut. Look at this. I'm pretty sure that that's a bull flag. Okay. See the flag? I'm pretty sure that's a bull flag. Okay. If that is the case, and if this thing breaks out, say over here from this range, this thing could go to $3.50. That's a $3.5 billion market cap currently sitting at $1.45. A quick 2x could be on the table for Peanut the Squirrel. Like I said, I think it's going to 10 billion. But if it were to blast off, it might go whoop, whoop. You know, do one of those. So we'll see. And it could just keep going. Sometimes things just keep going. But I would remain cautious. I kind of don't think that's actually going to play out. What I do think maybe could be the case is this is so crazy right now. This pumped faster than anything. People might want to take some profit. And maybe there's going to be a big dump and then a huge, because there's still one wallet that owns so much. It's crazy. If that one wallet dumps, it could cause a huge move to the downside. Is there a world where this thing even comes back down to, let's see this actually, because I'm trying to figure out an entry for myself on this coin right now. Is there a world where this thing comes back down to 500 million? There might be. Elon Musk, this is the Binance listing. This is Elon Musk tweeting. Isn't that crazy? This is the Coinbase listing, I believe. No. I think this was the election night. This was Doge. This was Binance listing. And then this move right here, that was Elon Musk tweeting. So, you know, a Coinbase listing maybe comes up with another pump. Honestly, this is probably a good entry. This is probably a good entry for Peanut, but it could easily come back down lower. I'm cautiously optimistic about that one. What else is going on? Mrs. Crypto Kip just waved to me. Huh, I'm famous. My wife waved to me. She's laughing. Good. It's good. Okay. We're clowning, guys. What else is going on? Looking through the chat. I'm actually a squirrel rehabber. Wait a minute, Marissa. What does that even mean? How does that? Wait a minute. How are you? You're a squirrel rehabber and you have 2 rental properties? Is that how good the business is? Is squirrel rehab a profitable business? That's unbelievable. How many squirrels need rehab? How many squirrels are addicted to substances? I'm so confused. Are these squirrels doing drugs? What's going on? I'm joking around, but I actually am genuinely curious what the heck you're talking about with squirrel rehab. What? I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't even know it was a thing. Did that PNUT TA assessment evaluation, did you like that? Did you enjoy that? Let me know in the comments. Bitcoin's coming back to 94. Don't be surprised if it comes down to 93. I buy PNUT from 175. What can I do? I don't know. I mean, hold it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I don't know. I'm bullish. I think PNUT's going to go to $10. So, at some point, I think PNUT is going to $10. Ramsam, you don't need to spam the chat, but I hope I answered your question. Don't spam the chat, though. You have a whole room built for squirrels? That's unbelievable. Okay, hey, Ramsam, stop spamming the chat. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I'll tell you, I think PNUT's going to $10. Yeah, show me some pictures. I'd show some pictures on X of your squirrel rehab. I'll retweet it. This is interesting. I don't know. This is super interesting to me. I don't even understand what you're talking about, Marissa. I don't understand. So yeah, Clear's beef. And you texted me. I'm sorry. I've been very busy, brother. Clear's beef is a buddy of mine. Good bud. My guy. No, I didn't buy any yet. Rehabs for injuries. Yeah, no, I know. I know. Rehab for injuries, not addiction. Oh, I thought the squirrels were addicted. I didn't. Maybe the squirrels were in like trials, double-blind studies. You never know. Yeah, Clear's beef. I'm trying to keep up with a baby, with a wife, with a YouTube channel, and with work. So I'm in the battle. I'm in the battle for my life every day. And I'm trying to be recruited right now. People are trying to recruit me for like holiday choir shows and things. I'm trying to. I'm a singer, and people know that in my town. And there's like little shows popping up, and they're like, "Come on, let's." I'm like, "I'm really busy. I'm really busy." Look, Ram, I cannot give you financial advice. It's just not what I do. But I'm telling you that I believe PNUT is going to $10. It's at $1.75. I'm telling you that I think it's going to $10. So what do you think my opinion is on it? I am a singer. Yes, that is correct. Oh, good. Benny, how's it going? Finally gave in and bought peanuts. Should have bought it at 0.4. Shake my head. Wait a minute. What the heck? Carlito, what are you? Carlito, what's going on over there? What are you saying? Oh boy. All right, guys. 454 viewers, 91 of you guys on YouTube. If you haven't liked it on YouTube, what are you doing? What are you doing? You gotta smash the like button, smash the like. 363 folks watching on X. Thanks for tuning in, taking the time to enjoy a live stream with me today. I think Bitcoin could easily come back down to 92K and get a bounce there. If you want to trade, sign up for Blowfin. I got a link. I'll pin it on X for you right now. Just look at our Crypto Report YouTube channel. You'll see a bunch of Blowfin links. We've actually got a link tree on our X. If you check out our link tree, you'll see a link to our Blowfin. So just go to our X profile. Let me just show you it really quick while I got you. Oh, look, the Crypto Report's live. Oh, you know what? We don't have it on a link tree there, but if you just go into the comment of like even this pinned one, boom, you'll find it. So any video, it's a pinned comment. You'll check it out. Okay, guys, that's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Much love. All the love in the world. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Until next time, peace. See you later. Bye.